Hey guys, and welcome back to Blessed and Beautiful Blended. As you can see by the title, today I am doing mommy duties. Um, Something that I wish I could make more time for because I really do enjoy getting my girls all cute and well, that's Kinsley telling us how she feels about it. But I really do enjoy doing their hair. I just wish I could get myself on a better schedule. Drop down in the comments if you have multiple girls. You know, what makes it easier to get hairdos, hair days in, wash days in, and trying to cook and all that other stuff. Like, mommy duties. But anyways, mommy duties on Mother's Day. Today we are getting all three girls together. So stick around in the video and let's see if we get it done. Also, before we get all the way into the video, please go ahead and smash that like button. Comment something down below that you would like to see, if it's another hair video or what have you. And if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Blessed and Beautiful Blended and be a part of our beautiful Blessed and Blended family. I am a mom of 7 if you are new. My name is Lachey. Thank you for joining our crew. Go ahead and watch and let's get into it.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Alright guys, I hope you are enjoying the video this far. If you are, put some hearts in the comment section for me please at this point. It will really help our channel out. Anytime you guys comment something or share it out or thumbs up the video, it really helps and it tells YouTube that you guys are in fact enjoying the video and to push us up so other people can find us. Do not mind my ridiculous faces. I don't know, when I'm concentrating on stuff, I just be looking just all types of just, Lord help it. Like, Jesus help. What's wrong with you? What's stain? Like, anyways, comment down below what you guys did for Mother's Day. I hope every mother out there had a wonderful, amazing Mother's Day. If you have lost your mom, my heart and prayers go out to you. I know that it's not, something easy, so I love you guys and know that my heart and prayers are with you all. But let's go ahead and continue the video.
And I hope you have a great day. And as long as you be, happy Mother's Day.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
I'm a famous YouTuber now. What's up? Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry.
Trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 You want a bad one? Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, You'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for it.